What up everybody, this is Taiwan Hubbard with H₂ Hub, and we're here to do an unboxing video for an exclusive first look at the QCup H₂ Alpha from the company QLife Hydrogen Solutions. This product was sent into us for our evaluation and testing to see if it would be approved and recommended on H₂ Hub, and it passed our evaluations with flying colors. This product is classified as a high concentration pure H₂ hydrogen water bottle utilizing PEM technology, and the product is pretty awesome. It tested super well, and I'll talk about that later on in this video. First thing, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at the product itself. QLife always does such a great job with their packaging. We showed that a little earlier in the video, but they really do. You can kind of see how they give you some details about the product itself, some stuff about hydrogen, and yeah, they just really do a good job with the packaging. So I'm gonna set this over here, and first thing, I'm gonna take out the bottle itself. The bottle's pretty large, tall I should say. Its bottle volume is akin to other on the market, pretty much around 270 milliliters or somewhere around 9 ounces off the top of my head. Well, on that conversion, I think that's around 9 ounces of water. And you can see the product here itself. This bottle, like I said, tested really well. One of the things that's super unique about the bottle that QLife definitely wants to highlight is that it has a resonance frequency lid. And so this lid emits a particular frequency and tries to embed that into the water. This is something that I know other people on this market are interested in as a form of therapy. H₂ Hub does not evaluate the efficacy of this form of technology. We strictly only evaluate hydrogen's therapeutic potential and the product's build quality and safety. And so if you're interested in that, this is one of the key features of this product and why it looks so tall, because this lid in particular is just one of 2 lids you get with this product. So here is the second lid. You know, thirst first here. This would be your normal standard hydrogen water bottle lid. And so it just easily comes off, and you just screw it on like any other lid. So easy, obviously changes the height of the bottle. And then next you'll see here, they pretty much have a thank you card, a quick start guide kind of card for the product. You'll get your wall outlet, your AC power pack wall outlet that comes with the product. They will give you an adapter. This is an adapter for a standard bottled water. So you can use your generator, your H₂ generator, and pretty much infuse hydrogen gas into a normal ordinary bottle of water. And then the last thing they'll have in here is the charging cable. And so this is actually pretty unique charging cable because it comes with 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and they actually go to the lid and to the generator, so you can charge both of them at the same time. So that makes this pretty unique for the charger itself. And this, I think, is everything that is in this box. So this is the QCup H₂ Alpha, and I'll just tell you a little bit more about it in our testing as far as regarding H₂ Hub. Like I said, this bottle tested pretty well, I would say. That's an understatement. It tested really off the charts. Currently, right now, it has one of the highest milligrams per liter or ppm testing from a hydrogen water bottle that we've ever examined here at H₂ Hub, and we confirm these levels with our laboratory grade Unisense hydrogen sensor. And this is a special tool that costs a lot of money to measure hydrogen gas, one of the only unique tools like this in the world. And so we actually got really accurate results for this bottle in particular. And that pretty much equates to, for the readings for this bottle, around almost 2 milligrams of hydrogen gas per every 10-minute session gets dissolved into this 9 ounces of water. And that means you can pretty much almost ingest around 6 milligrams of hydrogen gas per day by drinking 3 of these bottles. That is pretty rare on the market for a hydrogen water bottle. And so its therapeutic potential for hydrogen gas via hydrogen-rich water is really high. And that's why we are excited about recommending it here at H₂ Hub. Previously speaking, I was not very fond of hydrogen water bottles because they did not provide a lot of hydrogen gas to the body because it's such a small volume. But the actual, H₂ Alpha here is actually stepping this game up and ensuring people are actually going to be able to get good levels, therapeutic levels akin to the research from a hydrogen water bottle. So other than that, we have nothing else here for you. Go get you your actual QCup H₂ Alpha bottle. All right, catch you next time at the H₂ Hub.